Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. So finally we are back with the top 10 apps video, and today we're going to show you the 10 best new Android apps we have found for you for the month of August 2021. The apps which we are going to show you in today's video are new, and we have selected them on the basis of their usage and functionality. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's video, and as usual, we're going to show you the apps in random order. So the first app we have in our list is the iLight Screen Recorder. As the name suggests, it's a screen recorder for your phone. Nowadays most of the phones comes with the built-in screen recorder, but if you're looking for something simple, then the app iLight is very good. You don't get the floating bubbles while recording, and the recording is also lag and stutter free. The quality is good, and in short, it's easy, fast and simple to use, and most importantly, the app is ad free. So if you're looking for a simple and fast screen recorder, then do check out this app. The next app we have in our list is the Wall EQ. Wall EQ adjusts the sound of your phone according to the choice of your preset. So in the app you can choose from presets such as podcast, which drive the different volume levels so that every single person will speak equally loud. So it's basically equalize the volume. Then we have the noisy preset, where if there is a noise in the background, this preset won't let you hear anything until the level is loud enough. Then we have the balanced mode, which you can use casually. You can also customize these presets as per your choice and create a custom profile. Overall, Wall EQ is a wonderful volume equalizer and a must-have app on your phone. The next app we have in our list is the Slurp. Slurp will help you to discover food recipes using a combination of cuisines, diet, food likes and dislikes from over 1 million recipes. So at the time of initial setup, you can choose these options and then you will see the recommended recipes. You can also see the breakdown of the nutritional value of each recipe. Apart from that, in this app you can also do meal planning, and the app will help you to decide what to cook and when to cook. So basically, you have everything in one place and there are a lot of options and recipes to choose from. Overall, the best app for food recipes, which not just offers recipes but a lot more. The next app we have in our list is the Voila AI Artist. Voila allows you to turn your photos into stunning piece of art such as cartoon, painting or even a hand-drawn caricature. So in the app you just need to choose or click a picture and then that's it. The app now will show you the result. Here you can see the collage or go through different filters available in the app. You can also change the background as per your choice. Apart from the 3D cartoon art, you can also get yourself painted as 15th century painting, and to be honest, it does look very good. Once done, you can save the image on your phone or share it on your social media. The next app in the list is the Uncomplicated Launcher. So guys, this is a special launcher app for senior citizens who want to simplify their life. So this app allows you to quickly access all the apps on your phone. You don't have to swipe, pinch or scroll, but just buttons to navigate. Everything in this launcher is simple and big, and you have this boxy user interface. You have a dedicated message and call app which is designed for this launcher. And guys, you can also customize this launcher with large text and theme. Overall, if you're looking for a launcher for elderly at home, then this is the launcher you should check out. And believe me, this will make it very simple to operate the phone. The next app we have in our list is the SeriPlay. SeriPlay offers the best movies and TV series content for you. You can find your favorite shows here and see the info including trailers and so on. The categories in the app are good and the navigation is very simple. In the app you can see the trending movies and series here and then mark them as watched if you have seen them already. There is also a way to stream some movies in the app itself. And guys, this app only shows you the video links which are available in public domains. Overall, a nice way to explore trending movies and TV series, so do give this app a try. The next app we have in the list is the Privacy Guard. These days companies and their apps collect a lot of data about you so that they can show you targeted ads. Recently, Apple gave us the option to turn off ad tracking in the iOS 14.5. There is a similar option for Android, but for that, you have to search them in the settings. But with this app, you can track everything at one place in a very simple way. You can disable location tracking, personalization features, and lot more. This app is safe and secure, and most importantly, it protects your privacy. So if you're also worried about your data and don't want the hassle to go into the settings and look for the right options, then this is the app you should check out. The next app we have in the list is the Anime Wallpapers. Anime Wallpapers, as the name suggests, is a wallpaper app where you can find your favorite anime character wallpaper. So if you're a fan of anime, then you will love this app. In the app, you get thousands of free HD live wallpapers and 4K wallpapers of anime and manga characters. You can simply swipe left to see how they will look on your phone, or just download and apply from within the app. You also have the categories, and here you can search your favorite anime wallpapers. And guys, I find the live wallpapers in this app also very good. So if you're an anime lover, then definitely check out this app. The next app we have in our list is the Chessable. Chessable app is the best place to learn and improve your chess. So this app is built for chess lovers and uses spaced repetition to make sure you never forget a move. You can learn online from the world's top players, and with the free courses, you can learn opening, middle game and the end game tactics. Overall, if you're looking to learn and improve your chess game, then do check out this app. And the final app we have in our list is the Moonbeam. Moonbeam is the easiest way to discover your favorite podcast. You can simply swipe through your personalized podcast feed, and with no ads, you can discover the best moments in podcasts. So guys, you can choose the topics from here which you like, and then get the audio feed of all the best moments in different categories. And if you like this short preview, you can listen to the full podcast here. And here in this, you can also subscribe to a podcast, tip them, or mark them as your favorite. So overall, if you're into podcasts, then you will love this app. And guys, this app is also featured as the new app of the month by Google. So do give this app a try. So that's it guys, these were the 10 best new apps we have for you for the month of August 2021. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite new app of the month in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.